Dallas homeowners love open, airy living spaces filled with natural light, and bow windows are one of the most effective ways to achieve that look and feel. With their elegant, curved design and expansive glass area, bow windows can transform an ordinary room into a bright, spacious retreat. Whether you're updating a modern Dallas home or refreshing a classic Texas-style property, bow windows offer beauty, functionality, and lasting value. Here's how bow windows help brighten and expand living spaces throughout Dallas neighborhoods. Curved design that allows more natural light inside bow windows are made up of 4 to 6 connected window panels that gently arc outward from your home. This unique curved design allows sunlight to enter the room from multiple angles, creating a brighter interior throughout the day. Dallas homeowners appreciate that bow windows capture both morning and afternoon light, reduce the need for artificial lighting, make rooms feel warm, open, and inviting, highlight indoor decor with natural illumination. In a sunny city like Dallas, bow windows help you take full advantage of the abundant natural light available year-round. A wider view that makes rooms feel larger. One of the biggest benefits of bow windows is their ability to visually expand your living space. Because they project outward and include several panels of glass, bow windows provide a panoramic view that makes your room feel more open and spacious. This expanded view helps create a sense of depth, make small rooms feel larger, open up closed-off spaces, deliver unobstructed outdoor scenery. In Dallas neighborhoods with beautiful landscaping or wide street views, bow windows create a stunning focal point that enhances any living space. Additional usable space for seating, decor, or storage. Unlike traditional flat windows, bow windows extend outward to form a cozy alcove inside your home. This added space is ideal for creating personalized and functional areas within your living room, dining area, or bedroom. Homeowners often use the bow window nook for built-in seating or reading benches, decorative displays, or shelving houseplants that thrive in sunlight. Extra storage beneath a window seat. This extra square footage adds charm and purpose to your living spaces, without requiring a full renovation. Improved ventilation with multiple operable panels. While the center panels of a bow window are often fixed, the side panels can usually be configured as casement or double-hung windows. This allows homeowners to enjoy better airflow and cross-breeze circulation. Enhanced ventilation helps Dallas homes by keeping rooms cooler, naturally improving indoor air quality, reducing reliance on air conditioning, letting in refreshing evening breezes. During the warmer months, having additional window panels that open can make a big difference in overall comfort. A stylish upgrade that enhances your home's character. Bow windows add elegance and curvature to your home's design, something traditional flat windows can't match. They complement a variety of architectural styles found throughout Dallas, from classic brick homes and ranch-style residences to new contemporary builds. They enhance your home's character by creating architectural interest, adding dimension to both interior and exterior walls, offering a timeless, upscale appearance, increasing curb appeal and overall home value. A well-designed bow window not only elevates your living space but also leaves a lasting impression on guests and potential buyers. Energy-efficient options for Dallas's hot climate. Modern bow windows can be built with energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, double or triple pane glass, and insulated frames. These upgrades help keep your home cooler during Dallas's hot summers and more comfortable during winter. Energy-efficient bow windows help reduce heat gain, lower energy bills, block UV rays, improve indoor comfort year-round. This combination of beauty and performance makes bow windows an excellent long-term investment for Dallas homes. Brighten and expand your Dallas home with bow windows. Bow windows offer an ideal blend of natural light, expanded space, and elegant design, perfect for enhancing the look and feel of your Dallas living areas. Whether you want to brighten a dark room, create a cozy seating area, or simply upgrade your home's style, bow windows provide a stunning and functional solution. If you're ready to refresh your Dallas home with a window that transforms your space, bow windows are a beautiful and valuable choice.